Imagine waking up and hearing this. Wegovy is now a pill. No weekly injections, no needle anxiety, just a tablet. But here's the catch. Most people won't tell you up front. The pill version only works well if you take it in a very specific way. Otherwise, your body may absorb far less of it and you'll think it stopped working. So in this video, you'll learn exactly what's new, who the pill is for, how it compares to the injection, the biggest mistakes that ruin results, and the safety warnings a doctor would want you to know before you start. Now, let's keep it simple and practical. 1. Is the Wegovy pill real? And is it approved? Yes. Once daily oral tablet version of Wegovy has been FDA approved for weight management using the same active ingredient as the injection, Semaglutide. That matters because there's a lot of confusion online between real, regulated prescription Wegovy tablets versus random Semaglutide pills sold online that may not be legitimate. If it's not coming through a proper prescription and a regulated pharmacy, treat it as a red flag. 2. Same ingredient, different experience. Both forms contain semaglutide. Both work in similar ways. They help you feel full sooner, reduce appetite, and slow stomach emptying. But the experience can be different because the pill has to survive your stomach and actually get absorbed. That leads to two important differences. Difference A, the pill needs a much higher dose. The injection's maintenance dose is much smaller, which is measured in milligrams weekly, compared with the pill's maintenance dose of 25 milligrams daily, because the gut absorbs far less than an injection delivers. Difference B, timing matters more than people expect. With the injection, timing is flexible. With the pill, timing is the whole game. 3. How to take the Wegovy pill so it actually works. This is the doctor voice part, because most people mess up right here. The official instructions are strict. Take 1 tablet once daily in the morning on an empty stomach. Take it with plain water only, up to about 4 ounces. Swallow whole. Don't split, crush, chew, or dissolve. Then wait at least 30 minutes before eating, drinking anything else, or taking other oral medications. Why so strict? Because food, coffee, and other pills can interfere with absorption. If absorption drops, results drop. Also, if you miss a dose, the usual guidance is to skip that day and take the next dose the following day. Don't double up. 4. The dose schedule. Just like the injection, the pill usually increases slowly to reduce side effects. A common escalation schedule is 1.5 milligrams daily, first month, then 4 milligrams daily, second month, then 9 milligrams daily, third month, then 25 milligrams daily, maintenance. That slow ramp is not optional. People who rush dosing often pay for it with nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. 5. How much weight loss is realistic? Here's the honest answer. It can be very effective, but it's not instant, and it's not identical for everyone. In a major clinical trial of oral semaglutide 25 milligrams, average weight loss was around the mid-teens over about 64 weeks, with higher numbers in people who stayed on treatment as planned. For context, the weekly injection version, semaglutide 2.4 milligrams, showed about 14.9% average weight loss at 68 weeks in a landmark trial. So yes, the pill can be in the same general neighborhood, but real life comes down to adherence, side effects, and whether the daily routine is realistic for you. 6. Who is the pill best for? The pill may be a strong option if you hate injections or get anxious about needles, you travel often and want something easier to pack, no weekly injection routine, and you can reliably follow the morning, empty stomach, plus water, plus wait 30 minutes routine. On the other hand, if your mornings are chaotic, you take multiple morning medications you can't delay, or you always drink coffee right away, this pill may be harder to use consistently. 7. Side effects. What to expect and what to watch for. The most common side effects are still gastrointestinal: nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, stomach pain. but there are also serious warnings doctors watch for, including a thyroid tumor warning. It's not for people with a personal or family history of medullary thyroid cancer or MEN2, possible pancreatitis symptoms, severe belly pain that may move to the back, gallbladder problems, especially rapid weight loss, dehydration-related kidney issues if vomiting or diarrhea is severe, and a mental health caution. Tell your doctor if you've had depression. And an important pregnancy note: Wegovy may harm an unborn baby, and guidance includes stopping about 2 months before a planned pregnancy due to how long semaglutide stays in the body. 8. Cost and access. What's changing? One reason this is a big deal is access. Pricing depends on dose and insurance status, and many reports describe lower starter pricing and higher pricing at the maintenance dose. Realistically, for many people, affordability will still be the limiting factor, but a pill format may expand the number of people willing to start treatment in the first place. 9. The 2 biggest mistakes people make with the pill. If you remember nothing else, remember these. Mistake number 1, taking it with coffee, breakfast, or other pills. That can reduce absorption and results, and the water only plus wait 30 minutes rule exists for a reason. Mistake number 2, expecting the pill to cancel out ultra-processed eating. This medication helps appetite and portions, but food quality still matters for energy, constipation, reflux, and long-term maintenance. So yes, Wegovy in pill form is real, and for the right person, it can be a game changer. But the doctor truth is simple. The pill's success depends heavily on the routine: empty stomach, water only, wait 30 minutes, slow dose ramp, and a plan for side effects. If this helped you, tap like and subscribe for more simple, practical guides. And in the comments, tell us, would you rather take a daily pill or stick with a once-weekly injection? And what's the biggest reason?